Hello everyone. Today's topic is prototype versus proto. In this video we will understand what is the prototype and what is proto. So let's start it through an example. When we create any function in JavaScript, then JavaScript engine adds a default property to it, and that default property is prototype. And we can access this prototype property through the function name dot prototype, like this. This prototype property contains a constructor function that points to the function itself. Hence we understand what is prototype. Like whenever we create any function in JavaScript, then JavaScript engines add a default property that is the prototype, and if we go inside what is contains inside the prototype, then it contains a constructor function, and this constructor function points back to the function. Now we will understand what is proto property. Whenever we create any object through a constructor function in JavaScript, then JavaScript engine add a default property that is proto property, and we can access this through the object. Now understand it through an example, like where this is an object that we created through the constructor function. Here we pass two argument 1 and 2. Now if I get one object, then inside this object it contains a proto property. That proto property points to the constructor function, and that constructor function points to the function itself. Hence now we will saying that both prototype property and proto property have a constructor function that points to the function. So now we will go to check that is it point to the same location. So we will check through sum dot prototype property equal someone dot proto. Here it's written true. It means both point to the same location. Now we will create the another object, that is sum2 equal to new sum, and we access through its proto property. Here it contains the proto property. Now we will check is it point the same through proto property. Here it's also point to the same location. Hence through these examples we understand the prototype object of constructor function is shared among all the objects created using the constructor function. Hence in my second video we will extend this topic. Thank you so much.